In this video, I'll be showing you how you can find the Ubisoft Connect activation code on Steam, considering that you have encountered a problem where the activation window doesn't allow you to play the game without the activation code. So there are three methods to solve this. First is to check this article by Ubisoft where you have to request for game key in Ubisoft Connect or Steam. So these are the steps that they recommend as a resolve. First is when you launch a Ubisoft game via Steam, the Ubisoft Connect PC will automatically launch the game. So if the Ubisoft account you're logging into Ubisoft Connect PC is not the account you originally activated the game on, Steam will ask you first for a game key. So to resolve this issue, you just need to log into your Ubisoft Connect PC with the Ubisoft account you originally activated the game on. Well, if this first method doesn't work, you need to try this way. So head into your library, into your Steam, and then click the gear icon that you can see in the right side of this game. Now click the manage here. Once you click the manage, there is another button which is indicated or labeled as the CD key, or basically this is the activation key that you could use in the activation window. And last method is to just close the activation window and then relaunch the game using Steam. And then the Ubisoft Connect will allow you to play the game without needing the activation key. And that's it. That's how you can find or how to solve the Ubisoft Connect activation code on Steam. Thank you for listening.